Hello and welcome back to another off the grill video. I'm Dash and you guys are gonna watch me shoot a new build. It works. I know. I have a problem. The problem is I had this lower because of reasons. So you guys remember this lower is the Aero Precision EPC AR9 lower that I purchased originally when I was building this guy, right? But this guy didn't work because of the CMMG upper and yada yada blah blah blah. Finally got that one running, but now I found a upper to mate with the Aero Precision lower that I was just sitting at home doing nothing. So figure I don't have any sights on it yet, but this is a stubby little thing. It is like 7 inches maybe, and I'm using the furniture from my original AR9 build that didn't work out, and we are going to do a 30 round review. So I have a mag here and we have 30 rounds, and I'm just gonna shoot it and see how it works. It works. That's different. That's crazy. Not having problems out of the box from a firearm. Whoa, who'd have thunk it? All right. All right. It definitely works. All right, so now at this point, what I'm gonna do is I have some video. I have a second camera set up. I'm gonna set up some slow motion shots. All right, slow motion engaged. I have the second camera set up, so we're gonna see. I also turned off the lights in case there are any decent flashes. Ooh. I caught a casing down my back. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh my God. Oh. Yo. Oh man. Damn it. Oh, wow. That's a first. That is never happened to me, and oh my God. Wow, that is an experience. Never had one go down my back, and funny enough, I got it on video. I caught a casing down my back. Oh! So now I'm going to pull my shirt collar in a little bit closer, and whew, I'm gonna gather myself for a moment and finish out. There's probably 4 or 5 more rounds here, and my goodness. All right, let's just get this done. All right. Whew. Why, yes, I'm still thinking about the fact that I got burnt on my neck. Anyway, so thoughts. It works. Main thing. It shoots really flat. I didn't have any problems. It was predictable. I do need to get a sight on it. I'm looking at the target that I hit, and it's all over because I had no point of aim. But it's cool. It feels good in the hand. The trigger felt good, this is again the leftover LaRue trigger that I had. It's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, which is also good. I could take this flash, and this is probably why there was no big flash, because there's a flash suppressor. This is a Spikes Tactical everything. Fine. It's funny. I shot 10 rounds. Oh, I did get a casing down my back, which was not fun.
Oh, I bet you that was nice.
Oh man, and I got it on video.
So that's
ooh, video.
So that's the old one?
Yes, technically. You want to shoot that one some too? Oh, finally got it running.
No, I want to shoot that one.
All right.
That one.
Well, this one works now.
Which one do you prefer?
This one is suppressed.
All right.
Yeah, that's about it. Well, I mean, here I'll put.
I just want 3 rounds. You know how I am. I'm like, I don't need to shoot 100 fucking
Here's
rounds.
10 rounds. All right. Golly, so classic Bev. There's no sight, so aim lower than you think.
See this.
Back up a little bit. All right.
Ew.
Ah, take 10.
No, I don't want to take.
Why not? What's wrong with it?
Fucking has a shit ton of recoil.
You said it did?
I feel like it does. Hold on, let me compare. Maybe I'm just
The square mag.
bitch.
The square mag. Just there's rounds in front of you. Why take rounds out?
Is this a cool mag?
Yes, it is.
Oh, what receiver?
This is the CMMG receiver. So what it ended up finally being is they sent me a what? It's hard. That's what she said. They ended up sending me a tuning kit, and the tuning kit is a weight that goes in the BCG, and that's what it ended up needing. Oh, did it move or no?
No, a little bit. Way better. It's smoother.
Suppressed, or just a radio delay versus however.
It has way less recoil.
Okay, it's right there. I'll get it.
Yeah, it's not that one. Has way. At least maybe I'm imagining that.
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh no, I like both.
Exactly. They both work. Traumatized now. I'm gonna pull my shirt.
We do not care.
Okay, so this one does have way more bang to it than this one does, and I guess I don't know. It doesn't feel bad. Definitely. So now now I'm curious as to how they will work or run with the suppressor on this one, but I think this one just hits harder, and I think it hits harder because there's more weight in this in the buffer, the BCG. Sorry, not buffer, in the BCG, and maybe that's why it's it is the way that it is. Welcome. All right, so how about to say, where'd you go? There's 4 rounds for the new one, and there's 3 rounds for the other one.
Okay.
Tell me your thoughts. I'll aim lower than you think.
Okay.
Shoot the other one. That was it.
I was waiting. I looked and it wasn't locked back, so I wasn't sure.
I guess it doesn't lock back. That might be something to look into, but maybe it just won't lock back.
But nice. I think I like this one more.
So I agreed, but do you think you like it more because of the suppressor, or?
That's possible.
I know. So this one, Brooke shot this one and the new one, and she's like, ugh.
Ew.
And she's like, it hits harder.
Yeah.
And I think it's just the weight, because there's the bigger weight in the BCG.
Right. Yeah.
But that one, I don't know what the radial delay, but that weight, it definitely is a lighter, less recoil than
absolutely.
but
that's probably what I would say is that's a little too comfy.
yeah, but you know what's crazy is I don't know whether, again, I don't know 100% if it's the suppressor, which is helping and maybe you know, mentally, but I really does think this one definitely, the older one, the CMMG is softer.
Yeah.
So, but I still like I like the new one too.
Yeah, I like the size of that one, but I like the way that one shoots.
Well, I think the size difference is just in the suppressor.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Probably, because I think this is an 8. The CMMG is an 8, and this new one might be like a 7.
Okay.
And then with the suppressor, because the flash hider or whatever is down in there a bit.
Okay.
So, but I mean, either way.
That was good though.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. That'll do it for me today. I'm gonna shoot the other AR9 that I have here. I'll bring you guys back for another one at another time, but I think I'm gonna probably try to sell this thing. I don't think I need it. I don't really need it. So, you know, if you're close and want an AR9, let me know. But we'll see. I might try to sell it to one of the customers that comes in here. Anyway, thank you guys so very much, as always, for watching. I'll see you guys next time.